Hello dear friends. Today let us see how to open account in Google Classroom. As Google Classroom is a very important tool for educators. Using this Google platform, Google Classroom, you can deliver lectures or you can share class material to the students prior to the commencement of the class, even sitting at home, or you can ask the students to submit some assignments or to write exams or to give assignments to the students, and you can grade them, evaluate the students' performance not only in your classroom but also sitting at your home. So this is a very useful tool for delivering some material or interacting with the students. This gives a demo class for you all to open account. Type Google Classroom in your browser and select classroom.google.com. You will see a window. Which account has to be used for this one? Select an account for this one and enter through your account by typing your password. First of all, you will see a window like this, a blank window where there are no classes, and you will see a symbol here. You can join Google Classroom from the Google Apps also. There is a classroom here. You can join from here also after opening the browser, or else now as you opened with your Google ID, here is a tab for creating or joining a class. When you click on this one, it asks options, create class or join class. If you are a student, your class teacher will give you a class code, then you can join the class using the class code. If you are a teacher, you can create the classes by clicking the tab. This is the disclaimer showing that you are not using with your class, because class in school they provide special IDs, and that maybe it may be financial. Now we are watching a free account here. You can type your class and any section of class, like first section or second section. Type your class subject, chemistry, or even if the room number, anything, then create a class. This is for the teachers. Once you click on the tab of create the class, then your screen appears. It appears like this. When you are opening the classroom for the first time, it supports us by giving small hints, create announcements, or what are next you can reuse the announcement. Your class look like this. It is the first BSc, first section. Then it has a tabs: stream, classwork, people. Stream is nothing but your class, first BSc, second BSc, third BSc, or first BTech, second BTech, like that. And you can, your work, entire work is shown here, and you can ask the people, ask your students to join. For that, you have to invite your students. Then this is for grading. First, let us see how your students can join your classroom. Here, see here, just below your opened classroom, there is a class code. This is your class code. This is your class code. You can copy this, WhatsApp this to your students to open Google Classroom to join in your classes. When you send an invitation to them, then they will join. But before that, you have to add the students here. See here, teachers and students. You can add other teachers, or else you can add your students. Students here, and there is plus symbol. Just below this is displayed class code also. Copy the class code. Then this is for inviting students. See the screen. This what would you see when you are going to add the students. Invite the students. Type name or email address here. Here you have to type the email addresses of the students. Once you type, then press enter. Then here click invite. Select invite. Then it is sending a mail inviting the students. If you are going to add more number of students, then just write the names one after another like this. Then give a space or anything. Then go to another mail ID. Then like this, in this manner you can write the email addresses of all the students and just click select here invite. Then an invitation is sent to your students. Then your students will get mail. When you open your mail, students, I'm telling the part of the students, when your students open their mail, they will see the invitation has invited, and they will get a message like this, and they have to select join. Then they are joined in your classroom. Automatically it joins with your class code. Otherwise you have to give the class code. If the Google Classroom prompts to ask the class code, then give your students this class code. Then this is the part which appears with your students. For example, if your students window appears like this, then they can join the class using the class code. Type your class code or just copy paste, then join the class. This is your students joining your classroom. They will see this one. For them also, they get notifications for the first time. For example, if you are assigning any task, let's see how it appears in your students platform. Now here, as a teacher, you are writing something to your class. Hello students, welcome to Google Classroom for our chemistry classes. Then you can post as a teacher. See how it appears in your students. This is your students account. It appeared for them here. Hello students, welcome to Google Classroom for our chemistry classes. Like this, you can use this Google platform for assignments also. This is the classwork. Mainly 4 tabs are here. You can change this background, select the theme or upload a photo here to change this background. Stream is nothing but your classes. You can go to the classes And you can add the second class also. Create class, and you can create second class, second BTech, ECE, subject electronics. Like that, you can create another class for another section. Already one class is there for one section of the students. You are not only dealing one section, but usually we deal multiple sections of the students. So you can manage different classes and you can preserve their classwork. If you see here, the classes, you created two classes. One student already got invitation and he joined your classroom here, and this is a newly created class. Likewise, you can create n number of classes here using create classroom. When you go to your class, okay, we'll go to our previous one, BSc. You will see 4 tabs here. Stream is nothing but your main class room, and this is the classwork. Whatever the classwork you are creating, we will see this in the next video. Then people, how we have seen how you can add the students here by clicking this section, and when you assigned something to your students, you can grade your students in this tab. Okay, so Google Classroom, it is very easy to manage your classwork even sitting at home. For the next section of adding assignments and quiz or any other part, see the next video. Thank you for watching.